Welcome back to Old Charles. If you're a coin collector or just stumbled upon a shiny old quarter, you might want to check this one out. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story and value of the United States South Carolina State Quarter from the year 2000. Is it just pocket change, or could it be worth more than 25 cents? Let's find out. The South Carolina Quarter is part of the 50-state quarters program launched by the U.S. Mint in 1999. This series was created to honor each of the 50 states with a unique quarter design, and South Carolina was the 8th state to be featured. Released on May 22, 2000 on the obverse, you'll see the classic portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan, a familiar face to all U.S. quarters. But it's the reverse that's unique. Designed by Thomas D. Rogers, it proudly features the Carolina wren ***, the state bird, the yellow jessamine ***, state flower, the palmetto tree ***, state tree, and an outline of the state with a star indicating the capital, Columbia, all surrounding the motto, the Palmetto State. Now let's talk about the different versions of this coin. Like most modern quarters, the South Carolina Quarter was minted in 3 main locations: Philadelphia, no mint mark; Denver, D mint mark; San Francisco, S mint mark. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 742 million of these, while Denver struck about 566 million. That makes them extremely common in circulation. But here's where it gets interesting. The San Francisco Mint produced proof versions for collectors, both in clad and 90% silver. These coins have a beautiful mirror-like finish and are much lower in mintage, making them more valuable to collectors. Okay, let's talk money bag. If you've got a regular circulated South Carolina quarter from 2000 either with no mint mark or a D, it's generally worth just 25 cents. However, uncirculated or mint state coins can fetch more. Current estimated values MS60 to MS63, uncirculated, ***, worth around $0.50 to $1 MS65, high quality, around $2 to $5 MS67 plus, can go up to $25 or more, depending on the market and condition. Proof coins ***, from the San Francisco Mint clad proof, S, ***, around $2 to $4 silver proof, S, ranges from $5 to $10 or more, depending on grade. Grading matters. *** coins graded by services like PCGS or NGC with high mint state, MS, or proof, PR, grades hold more value in the collector's market. Now here's where things get spicy. Some collectors are on the hunt for error coins, and yes, there are a few known for this state quarter. Look out for these errors: off-center strikes, double die errors, especially on lettering, clipped planchets, missing clad layer ***, which gives the coin a coppery appearance. These types of errors can increase value dramatically, from $20 to over $200. Depending on the error and demand, here are some quick fun facts and collecting tips before we wrap up. The South Carolina Quarter is one of the most beautiful in the 50-state series thanks to its elegant use of symbols and balance. It's a great starter coin for beginner collectors, affordable and historically meaningful. Always store your coins in protective holders to preserve value, especially proof and mint state coins. Watch out for coins with full luster, no scratches, and strong details. Those are the ones worth sending for grading. So, do you have a South Carolina State Quarter from 2000 in your pocket or collection? Take a closer look. It could be more than just 25 cents. Let's take a moment to explore the history behind the South Carolina State Quarter and why this small coin carries big meaning. The South Carolina Quarter was released as part of the historic 50-state quarters program, launched by the U.S. Mint in 1999. This program ran for 10 years, from 1999 to 2008, honoring each of the 50 states with a unique design on the reverse of the quarter dollar. The coins were released in the order that the states ratified the Constitution or were admitted to the Union. South Carolina was the 8th state to ratify the U.S. Constitution on May 23, 1788, and that's why it was the 8th state quarter released in May 2000. The quarter's design tells the story of South Carolina's natural heritage, state pride, and history. The Carolina wren, this small, lively bird, is the official state bird, known for its cheerful song and adaptability. Yellow jessamine ***, a beautiful flower and South Carolina's state flower, symbolizing growth and unity. Palmetto tree ***, a powerful emblem from South Carolina's history, particularly from the Revolutionary War. During the Battle of Sullivan's Island in 1776, palmetto logs were used to build a fort that withstood British cannon fire. Today, this tree is a symbol of resilience and pride. The state outline with capital marked ***, The coin features the outline of the state, with a star marking Columbia, the capital city. The nickname, the Palmetto State, honors the symbolic role of the palmetto tree in defending American independence. It's a proud reminder of South Carolina's early fight for freedom. Through this design, the quarter doesn't just represent currency, it tells a story of nature, strength, and state identity. Whether you're a history buff or a coin collector, the 2000 South Carolina quarter is a reminder of the values and legacy that helped shape America. Now let's talk about one of the most important things that affects the value of any coin, and that's the condition, or what collectors call the coin's grade. A 2000 South Carolina quarter found in pocket change might only be worth 25 cents, but if it's in mint state, it could be worth a few dollars, or more. Let me explain how. Circulated coins *** are ones that have been used in everyday transactions. These usually show signs of wear like scratches, dull or faded surfaces, worn edges, or loss of detail on the designs. Uncirculated coins *** have never been used and still have their original shine or luster. These are more desirable to collectors. The condition of a coin is usually rated on a 70-point scale, called the Sheldon scale. Here are the most common grades you'll hear about: good, G4, ***, very worn, with most details flat and fine, F12, ***, moderate wear but major details visible, very fine, VF20, some sharpness in detail, light wear extremely fine, EF40, ***, most details sharp with slight wear, about uncirculated, $50 Australian, ***, very light wear, mostly lustrous mint state, MS60, MS70, no wear at all. MS70 is perfect, with no flaws under magnification. When checking your South Carolina quarter, look for these signs of better condition: bright, mirror-like shine, no major scratches or nicks, clear lines in the bird's feathers and flower petals, strong edges, and fully visible lettering, no discoloration or corrosion. If you believe your coin is in excellent condition, consider sending it to a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC for certification. If your South Carolina quarter has an S mint mark and an ultra-shiny, mirror-like background, you might have a proof coin. These are made specially for collectors and are usually in perfect or near-perfect condition. Handle these with gloves, they're worth keeping safe, so the next time you find a South Carolina state quarter, don't just spend it, check the condition. A high-grade coin could be a tiny treasure hiding in plain sight. Alright, let's answer the question everyone's waiting for: how much is the South Carolina quarter from the year 2000 actually worth today? Is it just a regular 25-cent coin? Or could it be worth a lot more if your 2000 South Carolina quarter is heavily circulated with signs of wear, scratches, dullness, worn-out details? Then it's likely only worth its face value, 25 cents. These coins were made in the hundreds of millions, so they're still very common in pocket change. If your South Carolina quarter looks new and shiny with no signs of wear, it could be in mint state, MS. Here's what collectors might pay for it: MS60 to MS63 ***, around $0.50 to $1.50. MS65, higher grade, around $3 to $6. MS67 or higher, very rare, $20 to $50 plus. Depending on demand and certification, coins graded by PCGS or NGC with high MS grade sell for more. Proof versions, made for collectors, have higher value. Clad proof, S, ***, worth $2 to $4, often found in proof sets. 90% silver proof, S, ***, worth $5 to $15 plus, depending on condition and silver price. Remember, these aren't found in circulation, they come from U.S. mint collector sets. If you're lucky, your quarter might have a minting error, which can dramatically raise its value. Watch for double die errors, especially in lettering or the bird's details, off-center strikes, clipped planchet ***, a curved cut at the edge, missing clad layer ***, coin looks copper on one side. Some of these error coins have sold for $25 to over $200, depending on severity and rarity. So yes, while most South Carolina quarters from 2000 are still worth just pocket change, some proof coins, uncirculated examples, or rare errors can be surprisingly valuable. It's always worth taking a second look.